So you have a Sanyo Roku TV and you have an issue where your sound and audio is not working, or maybe it's cutting in and out, or maybe you just have an audio delay, maybe it's echoing, maybe it's out of sync, or maybe it just sounds weird or funny, okay? But the first thing is just make sure that your volume is up, okay? So your volume is up and you don't have the mute button on either, okay? So the first thing that we're going to try here is we're going to restart the TV using a special key combination on the remote, okay? Now follow along, watch closely. So it's going to be this. The combination is, home button is here, okay? Home button 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Press the up button once, and then rewind twice, fast forward twice. Let's do it together, ready? Home button, 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up once, rewind twice, fast forward twice. And now what's going to happen is your screen's going to act all funny. It's going to freeze on this for a little bit, and then what's going to happen is going to restart the TV 2 times. Once the TV is fully booted back up, go ahead and see if your sound and audio is working, okay? If it's still down, then we're going to go to the next step. So if that first method didn't work for you, then the second method is this. First thing I want you to do is go ahead and turn your TV on and leave it on. And then while it's on, I want you to go wherever it's plugged into, the wall socket, and just pull the plug just like this. Wait 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, go ahead and plug your TV back in, and then go ahead and turn your TV back on, and then see if the audio is working, okay? If it's not, we're gonna go to the next step. Okay, so next thing we wanna do is we wanna see if there's a system software update available on your Sanyo Roku TV. So go ahead and click on the home button first. Then we wanna go down to settings on the left pane there. So go to settings and move over to the right. Now we wanna go down to system, right there. Go ahead and move over to the right, and then we want to go down to system update. So go down to system update right there. Now go ahead and click on the OK, and then you're going to do a check now, okay? See if you have a update that's available. If you do, go ahead and download and install it. After the installation is complete, go ahead and test out your audio and sound, see if it is working, okay? My software, you can see, is already up to date. Anyway, if this didn't work for you, we're going to go to the next possible solution. So the next thing we're going to try is we're going to reset your audio/picture settings, okay? So again, we need to go into the settings, grab on the remote, click on home. We're going to go down to settings, move over to the right, go all the way down to system, move over to the right, and then we're going to go down to advanced system settings right here, move over to the right. And now the factory reset is highlighted. We want to move over right one more time, and it says reset TV audio and picture settings. If you want to proceed, what you have to do is you need to press the play pause button right here 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and it's basically going to just go ahead and restart the computers. It's only going to take like 15 seconds. It'll restart the computer or restart the TV. Once your TV is up, check to see if your sound and audio is working, okay? If not, then what I want you to do is go to the very beginning of this video and try every step 2 or 3 more times, okay? And if you're still down, the last thing I have for you is a factory reset. And how you do that, it's really simple. Actually, we're on the same page right here. You can see, or you know what? Let me just go to the beginning and I'll show you. So grab your remote, and then again, we want to go all the way down to settings. Settings, move over to the right, and we're going to go all the way down to system. Move over to the right, and now we're going to go all the way down to advanced system settings right here. Move over to the right. Factory reset is highlighted. Let's move over to the right again. Now we got to move down one where it says factory reset everything. Remember, once you perform a factory reset, everything is going to be erased on the TV as if you just bought it brand new, took it out of the box, and then you have to set up everything. You got to choose your language, your region, your Wi-Fi password, your Netflix password, all that good stuff. If you want to proceed with the factory reset, you must look it over here and you must enter the 4-digit code that they give you down here. Okay, you see mine's 1384. Go ahead and plug in those numbers and then go down to click on OK, and then it's going to go ahead and perform a factory reset. All right, and of course, once it's back up, you have to go through the setup and everything like that, and then you need to check if your audio or sound is working. If any of these steps work for you, give me a thumbs up and let me know what step worked for you. If it didn't work for you, give me a thumbs down. Most of you guys should be up and running. Okay, so we should have more likes and dislikes. Good luck.